Welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to step into the role of your mentor today. If you've been looking at the modern business landscape and wondering, how do I actually carve out a lucrative, future-proof career? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to navigate the massive, exciting opportunities in the digital marketing world. And to make this super concrete, we're going to follow a case study. We'll look at the journey of a guy named Joey. He saw the exact same opportunities you're looking at right now, and he successfully transitioned from an absolute beginner to a certified, highly in-demand expert. So grab your mental notepad because we are going to break down exactly how he did it. Okay, let's take a quick look at the syllabus for today. Our roadmap starts with defining what digital marketing actually is. Then we'll move into content and SEO strategies, followed by PPC advertising. After that, we hit social media and email, then affiliate marketing, and finally, exactly how to level up your career. All right, Section 1, what is digital marketing? To start your career journey, we first need to define the exact space we're operating in, right? Because digital marketing isn't just about throwing ads at a wall and hoping anything sticks. It's the highly targeted process of promoting brands and building consumer trust using digital channels. Think search engines, social platforms, mobile apps. Joey quickly learned that this approach is way less expensive than traditional marketing. You're not renting giant highway billboards or buying super expensive TV spots. More importantly, it lets you target people specifically based on their daily actions and personal preferences. You're not just shouting into the void. You are speaking directly to the exact people who actually want to hear from you. And this right here is Joey's step-by-step career path, which really demystifies the whole process. He started at step 1, recognizing the massive amount of opportunity popping up online. He didn't just jump in blindly, though. He systematically moved to step 2, mastering the individual channels. Then he learned how to optimize his reach organically and, when it made sense, pay for it. Step 4 was all about nurturing that audience. And finally, step 5, the absolute pinnacle of his journey, getting certified to actually validate his expertise. This is the exact blueprint we're unpacking today. Moving right along to Section 2, content and SEO strategies. So let's look at Joey's first major hurdle, learning how to generate audience interest organically, meaning without a massive advertising budget. To attract people to a brand, you have to give them something of value first. It's the law of reciprocity. Joey started by creating specific types of content assets, writing informative blogs, producing engaging videos, designing these easily digestible infographics, and putting together detailed case studies. By publishing these, he sparked genuine interest in his company's products for a general audience. He wasn't just selling, he was educating and entertaining, which is literally the bedrock of modern digital marketing. But here's the catch. Great content needs to be found. And that is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Joey learned that by continuously optimizing his content for specific search keywords, the exact words his target audience was already typing into Google, he could seriously improve his visibility. Plus, by getting other reputable websites to link back to his content, which we call backlinking, he boosted his website's ranking organically. He actually managed to get his web pages onto that highly coveted first page of search results without spending a single penny on ad placement. That's the magic of SEO. All right, Section 3, pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. So what happens when you don't have months to wait for organic SEO to kick in? What if you need to scale up quickly and reach a massive audience immediately? Well, look at the contrast between these two dominant strategies. On the left, we've got SEO, which we just talked about. It's organic, costs absolutely no money per click, but it demands continuous long-term sweat equity. On the right, Joey discovered pay-per-click. This is paid advertising. While SEO is essentially free traffic that takes time, Joey learned he could use PPC on search engines, image ads, video ads to instantly buy his way to the top. The catch, of course, is that it costs money every single time a user clicks the ad. But as a savvy marketer, Joey realized that a true expert knows how to balance both, using PPC for immediate reach while building that long-term SEO foundation in the background. Let's dive into Section 4, social media and email. Next up on Joey's training list, and yours, is engaging with people exactly where they spend their free time. People spend hours every single day scrolling through their phones, right? Joey leveraged this reality by mastering social media marketing across the major platforms. He used LinkedIn for professional networking, YouTube for long-form video, and Facebook and Instagram for highly visual, consumer-facing outreach. Instead of waiting for users to search for his brand, Joey used striking images and compelling videos to push products directly into his audience's daily feeds. He was basically intercepting their attention where they were already hanging out. But getting a click from social media isn't the end of the story. Actually, scratch that, it's really just the beginning.
The harsh reality of digital marketing is that a massive chunk of your audience will leave a website without buying anything on their first visit. They get distracted, the dog barks, whatever. Joey tackled this by utilizing email marketing. By capturing a visitor's email address, he could send targeted messages to nurture those potential customers over time. Whether it was reminding them of an abandoned shopping cart or sending helpful tips, email marketing let Joey gently assist his leads through the buying process until they were totally ready to pull the trigger.
On to Section 5, Affiliate Marketing Basics. Here, Joey discovered this brilliant strategy where he didn't even have to do all the heavy lifting himself. Imagine having a literal army of independent salespeople working for your brand around the clock. That is effectively what affiliate marketing is. Joey learned to use third-party websites, influencers, and content creators to promote his brand's products to their own established audiences. The true beauty of this model? It is completely performance-based. Joey only had to pay these third parties a fee when they actually drove measurable results, like a confirmed registration or a completed sale. By doing this, he could drastically increase his web traffic with very, very low upfront financial risk, a total game changer. Okay, let's take a quick mentor-apprentice pop quiz based on Joey's journey so far. Can you identify which specific marketing channel focuses heavily on engaging and nurturing warm leads over time to ensure a purchase? Is it SEO, PPC, email marketing, or affiliate marketing? Lock in your answer.
Section 6. Level up your career. And by the way, if you guessed email marketing for the quiz, you hit the nail on the head.
Now, let's look at the absolute most critical step Joey took to elevate himself above the competition. Reading articles and knowing the definitions of these channels is a great start for sure. But Joey had a crucial realization. He knew that to become a true, trusted expert in the eyes of employers, he needed formal, structured training. He needed to prove his competence. So he took up a Simply Learn digital marketing certification. This wasn't just about padding his resume, it was about getting hands-on with the actual skills, learning industry best practices, and understanding how to integrate all these distinct channels into one high-performing marketing engine. Formal certification was the bridge between being just an enthusiast and being a true professional. And that brings us to the end of our roadmap today. You now understand the landscape. You know the channels, from the organic hustle of SEO to the precision of PPC, the engagement of social, and the scalable power of affiliate marketing. So my final question to you as your guide today is this. Joey took the leap to formalize his knowledge, get certified, and radically grow his career. He transformed himself into an expert. So what is stopping you from doing the exact same thing right now? The tools are literally right at your fingertips, the demand for these skills is higher than ever, and the next step is entirely up to you. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I absolutely can't wait to see where your digital marketing journey takes you.